Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the size of image in inch in Photopea software. So get it started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see change the size of image to inch. Now you can see then it show the Photopea software in. Now click from new project option. Now click. Now we select from project name. Now choose from project name. Now project name show new project and size, width and height. Now and size measurement and click. Now click for inch option. Now click for create. That it's. Now you can see new interface. Then firstly open the picture. Now click for going to the file one option. Then click and click for open and place option and select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see open the picture, this picture resize to the inch. Now you select from height and width and 600. That it's. Now you can see. Now click for confirm option. Now you can see change size of image in inch in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.